welcome back to my YouTube channel Preeti Made Stories. As we all know, summer has already been started and we have to be more careful for our skin when we are going out, and we have to save our skin from the scorching heat so that we don't get sunspots on our skin. To do so, today I have come up with an idea of how we can take care of our skin in this lockdown when we are not able to go to the parlors and do our skincare routines. I am going to tell you two basic skincare routine that we can do in our home with the products which are easily available in the kitchen. First one is we are going to make a scrub out of coffee today. Yes, that's right. Coffee is very good for our skin. It removes the blemishes from our skin, the dark circle and the white patches or the sunspots from the skin. Secondly, I'm going to make a face mask out of gram flour, which is also known as Uptan in many states of India. This was popularly used in the ancient time by our grandmothers. They were using all these homemade remedies for their skin, and yes, they were beautiful at their own skin at that time also. These ingredients are easily available in anyone's kitchens, and these are easily affordable, and you don't have to rush to the market for all these ingredients. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified about my upcoming videos and can watch them on time. Now let's get started.
Let's get started with coffee face scrub first. First ingredient is coffee, which is a source of nutrients and antioxidants that benefits the skin. It can be used to exfoliate, treat acne, increase blood flow, and removes dead skin cells. It also improves the texture of skin and adds a glow to it. Next important ingredient is lemon. Lemon's antibacterial and antifungal properties make them a natural alternative to treat acne. It helps to motivate skin pores to close and face to tighten, resulting in smoother skin. Next ingredient is honey. Honey opens up your skin pores to cleansen them, get rid of blackheads. Its antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties allows it to help you fight acne by keeping your pores free of oily dirt while at the same time keeping them hydrated and tight to give you a clearer complexion. Next important ingredient is coconut oil, which is a great skin softener and helps you do away with dry and hard skin conditions. This can delay the appearance of wrinkles and sagging of skin, which normally accompany aging. Let's see how to make the scrub. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of coffee. Add coconut oil to it. Add some honey. I am using this organic honey. You can use any honey available in your kitchen. And lastly, add the lemon juice to it. Give a good mix to all these ingredients for around 30 seconds. Mix these ingredients nicely so that there is no lumps in between, and make sure the consistency of these ingredients is not too runny. It should be something like this. Now to apply this scrub, pull all your hairs backward and use a wet wipe to clear your skin. I am using Himalaya aloe vera gel wet wipes. Take this product on your fingertips and apply it in an upward direction. Always apply face pack or face mask in upward direction so that your skin doesn't get loosened up. After applying this scrub, give a good massage to your skin in a circular motion with the help of this scrub. Don't be too harsh on your skin. Be very gentle while rubbing this on your skin, otherwise you might get pimples or have reverse effect of this scrub on your face. Apply some more products if needed and continue in the same way. You can already see the shine and glow that I have on your face just after applying this product. Leave it for 5 minutes and wash your face with lukewarm water. After that, you can see the glowing effect and the smoothness on your skin. Now, let's get started with gram flour face mask, its ingredients and benefits. The first ingredient is gram flour. The zinc in gram flour can fight infections that cause acne. It removes tan and exfoliates dead skin. It also removes fine facial hair and can offer instant fairness. Next one is turmeric, which is an excellent for acne because it's a natural antiseptic and helps to keep bacteria from spreading, reduces dark circle. It also protects skin against sun damage and aging. The next ingredient is curd. Like any other milk product, contains lactic acid which may help exfoliate dead skin cells and keep the skin smooth. The essential fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in curd help nourish your skin and keep it healthy. Next important ingredient is lemon. I have told you about it in the previous section of making scrub. Next ingredient is milk. Milk will nourish skin cells from deep within and keep skin moisturized all day. If you have got acne prone skin, it will gently exfoliate and gradually cure your acne. Now let's see the process of how to make it. Take all the products in a bowl and give it a good mix. If the consistency is too dry, then add 1 tablespoon of milk to it. Don't add all the milk at a time. Add slowly just to make sure that the consistency is not too runny. Now apply it in the same way in an upward direction. Make sure you apply this product safely so that it doesn't go inside your eyes. Also apply it on your neck area so that you get the even skin tone all over your neck and face. Leave it for 10 minutes. It is dry now. I will quickly go and wash my face. After washing the face, I can feel the smoothness on my skin and the glow. Try it twice in a week.